So today I'm going to be planting my potatoes, but I wanted to show them first. I was going to try to wait until May, but look at this one here. Like, I don't even know. I'm gonna have to plant that one down like really far. But I had these in my closet in a nice, cool, dark place. But I'm thinking at this point that they think they were underground, so they're really trying to grow. So we are about to go till the dirt in the backyard and get started planting these. I got flower and vegetable soil. It has a slow release fertilizer in it. And I've got some regular topsoil. I'm gonna mix them two together. Pull it. Want me to push?
You pull it. You pull it.
Huh?
Bubba, you ready to play football? Up, I'm getting hotter.
What's the yet?
Right there.
Oh, that's
That's the one.
Them bees upstairs.
Yeah, that's the one that was just upstairs. And Manny said, I didn't want to kill it, but he said he wasn't even alive. I mean, he wasn't flying. Check on the garlic, huh? Yeah? You talking about the garlic? Yeah. Let's see. Here goes the garlic. Some of them didn't come up, but dang, remember that one that was over here? Something pulled it up. Remember this one, babe?
Came up.
Something pulled it up.
Yeah, man.
I would say so. I'll put it back in there and see. I gotta get my glove. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this part and lay it as close as I can. And I think I'm gonna plant the potatoes right up in here. This is the part he's supposed to be helping me do.
What?
Go faster.
Me, Grandma?
Yo, Papa. That's nice and moist. I'm talking about this. Huh? Well, you gotta do this part. Like from here. It's not even a legal walkway. From here. Good, yeah. Yes. Don't tackle. Yeah, football players have fear that it'll get hurt. You don't.
See that garlic.
Oh, you got it. don't gotta get over too far to the left because I'm gonna need a walker. Let's see.
All the help from that cardboard did his job, you know.
I'll show you how it works. I know how to play frisbee. What? Like this. See? Like that. Come on.
These are
These black.
how the potatoes are looking. Some of them are super long.
Oh my God! I thought it was coming to me.
I'm like, am I even in camera? I don't even know. But these are the potatoes.
This time you have to run. Why? Because so you can get it. Come on. Dodgeball with this. No. Dodge frisbee. Dodgeball frisbee. Dodgeball frisbee. You don't dodge it.
Yeah.
Catch it. Hey.
Hey, Data. Yes. Am I in camera? Have you? Oh, that's one of the things.
Kinda.
Huh?
Kinda.
I mean, this part, like down here, is that it?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
What? If you was right there. Oh my God.
All the time y'all got early, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Good thing we did that when we did. Before they got started. Like, oh, this one? That's what I'm doing? Yeah. Right there. Yeah. I'm gonna do one more. Okay. This is the one with the super long sprout. I don't even know what to do. Just gonna do it like that. I don't want to hurt the potato. I'm gonna cover it with the other stuff. Too. All right, that's good. There's worms up in here too. Dog fence. This is where the garlic and the potatoes. We got all of that done. And now this is the fence. I'm gonna try to put my sensitive stuff that I don't want eaten up, my vegetables. I'm gonna attempt to put it inside of here. This used to be a dog kennel, so we're about to get this cleaned up. And I'll show you what it looks like at the end. Okay, so now I can't get this thing off. That's a wire. I need like a wire cutter or something, but they got all that. I don't know why they had the dogs locked up in here, but if I back up, let's see. This was the entire kennel. And like I said, that was another area over there. I don't think they had any dogs over there, but this was the kennel part. So my husband got all the vines down, got everything clean, and we got all the vines from out of the ground for the most part. So now he's about to till this. And I'll be able to plant in here. And this will be an area for my vegetables that I'm hoping that the little critters around here, like the groundhogs and the rabbits and all that stuff, that I can plant inside of here. Like all of my veggies. So let's see what he does after this. This is the end product. I have those bricks there because it was a groundhog getting under the fence. So I'm blocking that hole there until I could come up with another solution. But we got it all the way down. And then that's my potatoes. I just put some wood that I found while we was cleaning out the kennel to mark where the potatoes is until I can divide that. This is the garlic, and then this is the area that we just cleaned out. It's gonna have a lot more veggies inside of there. And I also had to put some bricks around here too, because I still need one more right there. So that's it.